Meaning of destruction.
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 Destruction. Destruction refers to the act of causing something to be completely ruined or destroyed. It often involves significant damage or disintegration of the object or structure being destroyed, resulting in a loss of its original form and function. The result of destruction can be catastrophic, leaving behind wreckage, debris, and rubble in its wake. Such devastation can have far-reaching consequences, affecting the lives of people who rely on the destroyed object or structure, and often requires significant effort to rebuild or repair. In short, destruction results in irreversible damage and loss.